Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're concerned about your TikTok videos being downloaded by others, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to stop video downloads on TikTok using your Android phone. It's simple, effective, and only takes a minute. First, open the TikTok app on your Android phone. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your profile screen. Then select Settings and Privacy from the menu that appears. After that, tap on the Account option. Now, click on Privacy. Scroll down until you find the Download section. Finally, tap on Downloads, then toggle off the option that allows others to download your videos. And that's it. You've successfully disabled video downloads on TikTok. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips just like this one.